20 teams will be awarded at the Met 1005 Main Street, Pawtucket, Rhode Island. Yes, it's the 48-hour film project. How did it start? You see, I was invited to the meet and greet at Lit Arts RI. Maximum respect, Jody. They introduced me to a phenomenal person, Mel Rainsberger. And after she told me about the 48-hour film project, I was interested. So I gathered a team great, and we produce and present to you the Jamaican poet. In July, the films were screened at Avon Cinemas. 38 made it. Still, I'm saying much respect and thanks for the effort that everyone put in. Another kudos and salutation goes out to Mel Rainsberger, because you and your team doing a phenomenal job. On August 8th, it will be the 48-hour film project award ceremony, where, of course, I myself, the Jamaican poet, will be awarded. My team and I should say, along with other teams, 20 people. This is something phenomenal. This is something fantastic. So do support, get your tickets now, and support the filmmakers, support the Jamaican poet. By the way, check it out on YouTube. The trailer is up. The full movie is not, so if you want to see it, be there. Tell them precisely.